Hello everyone, today our topic for Endterm presentation is founders and top managers of international project. Group members are Nurali, Burkhan, Islam, Yesset and Zhandos.
Distinguished colleagues, we must reject the myth technological exceptionalism. From a macro historical perspective. We are witnessing the maturation of global exchange system. If the Silk Road was the first hardware of globalization, our 2026 fiber optic networks are its logical evolution. As founders, we don't just write code, we build network-centric topology that transcends and went Westphalian borders, replacing physical trade routes with seamless data sovereignty.
Building up on Nurali's historical framework, we must address the evolution of the command and the control structure. In classical management theory, the limitation was always the information lag, the time required for a decision to travel from the center to the periphery. In 2026, IT has effectively eliminated this lag, leading to what I term algorithmic governance. The modern top manager operates less like a traditional CEO and more like a systems architect. Our deep analysis of international workflows reveals that the integration of agile methodologies with automated KPI tracking creates a digital panopticon, a transparent, hyper-efficient environment. However, the academic challenge we face is maintaining institutional elasticity. We must ensure that our reliance on real-time data does not erode the strategic intuition that has guided leaders from the Roman Senate to the modern boardroom.
The technological engine, cloud hegemony, and the AI synthesis. From a technical standpoint, the engine of this global expansion is a triumvirate of cloud computing, edge intelligence, and generative AI. If coal was the catalyst of the industrial revolution, then distributed and compute is the catalyst of the digital era. Our empirical data shows that the transition to multi-cloud environment has decoupled business growth from physical geography, and furthermore, in 2026, artificial intelligence has transcended its role as a mere tool become a synthetic stakeholder. By utilizing large action models, we can simulate market entries with historical accuracy and predicting socio-economic friction before a single line of code is deployed. And we are moving toward a predictive economy where the historical volatility of international trade is mitigated by the sheer processing power of our neural networks.
However, history teaches that expansionism always invites protectionism. Today we face cyber Westphalian paradox. The internet is global, but regulations are increasingly local. Cybersecurity is now a form of digital diplomacy. We must build zero-trust architectures as robust as ancient fortifications, protecting not just data, but the integrity of the global historical record against unprecedented systemic threats.
Ethical synthesis and the future horizon. In conclusion, our collective analysis demonstrates that the international IT project of 2026 is a synthesis of historical ambition and futuristic capability. However, as a stand on the principle of the quantum era and the metaverse integrated workplace, we must address the ethical dimensions of our powers. Technology is a driver of history, but it lacks a moral compass. The founders and managers of tomorrow must be techno-humanists. We must ensure that our global platforms do not become instruments of digital colonialism, but raise a catalysts for equitable growth. As we look toward the horizon beyond 2026, our goal is to harmonize the efficiency of the machine with the complexity of human history. We do not just manage projects, we steward the next chapter of the human story.